In this video, I want to tell you exactly what to carry on the beach and what not to carry in order to keep you and your family safe. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Will Workman, and I'm here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. If you watched any other videos on my channel, you know that this is a little bit different than most other videos. My family and I have spent the week at the beach in Florida and just had a great time. And I just wanted to share with you guys some important things that I think you need to carry in order to keep your family safe, and some things that you need to think about leaving in your room. So first of all, we need to talk about mission, because mission drives the gear that you carry. And so my mission when I'm at the beach with my family is to enjoy the time with my wife and kids, but also to keep them safe. And in order to do that, I need to think about the possible threats we may face, things that are fairly likely and things that are not really likely that you don't have to worry about as much. One thing that is fairly likely, depending on the beach that you're at, is somebody going through your bags and just doing a snatch and grab. So one of the important things to not have in your bag is valuables. So if you have a really nice watch, you've got a gold chain that you wear, don't wear that down to the beach and take it off and stick it in your bag, because it's way too easy while you guys are swimming and having fun for somebody to just run up and grab that and they're gone. That's also the reason why I don't carry a gun to the beach, because it's not going to stay on my body when I'm in the water, when I'm in the sand, because that's going to ruin my gun. And so if I bring it down there, it's going to go in the bag, and then I'm not going to be paying attention to my bag the entire time, because my attention's going to be on my family. If you bring your gun down there, you're taking a big risk there, just leaving it out in the open and giving somebody the opportunity to come grab it. The other thing that can happen at the beach is a shark attack. If you have a shark attack, you're gonna need some trauma gear. That's a really, really important thing to have. Now, I know when I start talking about things that you need to carry at the beach, you know, everybody's like, oh, great, I really need something else to stick in my bag because I don't carry enough to the beach, right? But it's important, it really is. So I wanted to show you guys just what I carry when I'm at the beach. And this is pretty simple. So I've got my OC spray right here on the outside. If I were to lose this, or it got, stolen or whatever, it's $10. I don't mind replacing that, whatever. And then this is my trauma kit from Mountain Man Medical. And I've added a couple things to this just because thinking about the threats we may face and shark attacks. I've got soft tee, which is just kind of a typical tourniquet that I keep in my trauma kit. But then I've also got the SWAT tee. And the reason that I carry the SWAT tee, you're able to use it on small kids. So my daughter, my son, if you have dogs, the SWAT tee is also great for dogs. A lot of police departments carry them for their canine officers. So I carry that in case there's a shark attack, somebody loses a limb, or somebody gets severely bitten and there's an artery severed. You need a tourniquet, and you need it right then. I was reading and watching some news stories on this story.
At around 5:50 p.m. on August 7th, the victim was swimming near Beach 59th Street when she was bitten in her left leg by a shark. Chief Lifeguard Jose Diaz told the New York Post the victim was treading water and relaxing just offshore when the attack occurred. Diaz said his lifeguards sprang into action. "We saw that she was bitten. Blood was coming out a lot, so they gave her a tourniquet with a buoy, which has a rope, and they tied it so that she doesn't bleed to death. She lost a lot of blood," he reported. "The artery came right out. You could see the bones and everything. It was crazy," he said. The shark tore loose an estimated 20 pounds of flesh from her upper thigh before swimming away.
It's just crazy to me in, the world that we live in 2023, and the training that's available, that lifeguards at the beach don't have trauma kits, that they don't carry tourniquets. They had to use a buoy rope in order to stop the bleeding on this lady. Guys, trauma gear is easy to carry. It's easy training to do. So those are basically the only things that I carry when I'm at the beach, because those are kind of the likely things. Somebody's gonna snatch something from my bag. Maybe you'll get some drunk people that fight, which is important to have a sea spray for that if you end up in the middle of it. If not, stay out of it. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Like and subscribe down below. Check out my other videos if you're interested in self-defense, and I'll see you guys next time.